Hey, boss, look at this.
Whoa, what is this? This is the time continuum remote control. Yeah. So, I don't know, maybe you can watch TV with it, it controls it. Oh, alright, but we're gonna eat Papa John's because I'm starving. Me too, let's go. And by the way, don't go anywhere because you're my favorite TV remote.
Oh. A time machine remote. Hey, minion number 2, come in here.
Hey, what's up?
Look at this remote. I think it's a toy.
It's a toy? Yeah, let's go play with it. Alright, I'm back. Remote. Where are you at, remote? You in here? You in here? You in here? Maybe here? Maybe here? You in here? You in here? You in here? Maybe here? Where are you, remote? Are you in here? You in here? Maybe you're here? Come on. Where are you, remote? Someone took my remote. Remote, where you at? Don't worry, Huey. We'll find it. We wanna know who took it. Someone took my remote! Somebody took my remote!
Whoa, this is the cool remote we've been finding.
Yeah, we know.
Hey guys, check out this remote. You wanna check out this remote?
Yeah.
We're gonna watch TV on it.
Hold up. What do you think you're doing? Do you have a remote?
Yes, it's right here.
Give me that. You know what Huey has been freaking out over this. He freaked out about this. He's freaking out about the remote and he couldn't find it.
Oh, that makes sense.
My remote! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hey, we found the remote. Calm down. Oh, thank you. I got freaked out about this when I lost it. Oh, you're safe now. Come here. Come here. It'll be alright.
Hey, we sorry we took your remote.
Yeah.
And we thought it was a toy.
That's right.
And it's so cool. I mean, what made this thing?
I don't know. Maybe it was Time Machine or something?
Yeah, it's just a remote controlled so we can watch TV. So let's see what happens.
Alright. Here goes Nut.
Boss? Boss?
Where's he?
I don't know. I think they're in Wingstop or something. At least he's gone. You wanna order some Papa John's? Oh, do I?
Yeah, let's go order Papa John's.
Yeah.
Where are we? It's so freezing outside.
I think we in ice place or something.
You're right, guys. It was the time machine remote. This is the time continue remote control. How do we get out of here?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, look, a penguin. Oh, hey, penguin. What doing? Oh no, a polar bear.
Kiwi, get us out of here.
Okay. Ugh.
Woof, woof, woof.
Boss? Isn't that you? Yep. And I'm a puppy cat, and they're both are dogs and cats. Half dog and half cat. Hello! I'm Raouf. Who are you? You must be my pet. They are funny. Yeah, they are. Oh, but these two are annoying. I gotta. Where do you think you're going?
Give it to me.
Give me it right now. Give me it right now. Give me it right now. Give me it right now.
Give me remote. Give me the remote. Cause it's my turn. And I just wanna press the remote. And I gotta press it. And it will be my turn. And we're not fighting over remote. Unless we gotta share. Cause I wanna do remote. I want a remote so bad. And I want it so bad. And we gotta fight all over the remote. And we gotta fight it over now. Something isn't right.
Raouf must have the remote. Where is all the penguins?
What do we?
Oh, what are we doing here? I don't know. We gotta get back. There's a volcano. There's the full of lava. Alright, let's go home. Hey guys, we're home. Did you order Papa John's?
Yes, we did. There's hundreds of them.
Or you could just share it. There's a lot of cheese pizza. I know you want some too, boy. My dog.
Woof, woof, woof.